Welcome to Old Dubai, where the city's modern skyline fades into winding alleyways, wooden arbors, and markets that have been trading for centuries. Today, we're exploring Dubai's traditional souks, a must do experience if you want to see the soul of the city. The souks are located around Dubai Creek in Dera and Bur Dubai. Our first stop is the Grand Souk, also known as the Old Souk. Hop on the Dubai Metro Green Line and get off at Al Gubaiba Metro Station. Walk towards the souk along the Dubai Creek's scenic promenade. This is where Old Dubai truly comes to life. The shaded walkways and wooden doors create a relaxed atmosphere, perfect for exploring. Inside, you'll find souvenirs, carpets, pottery, antiques, and traditional Arabic crafts. Next, we head to the Textile Souk in Bur Dubai. This area is famous for its wide selection of fabrics, including silk, cotton, chiffon, and embroidered materials sourced from across the region. Next, we head across the creek to the Gold and Spice Souk. The easiest way to get there is by taking the Green Line Metro to Gold Souk station and a brief walk to reach the souk. You can also get there by RTA bus and get off at their own dedicated bus stop. For a truly scenic approach, hop on an arbor across Dubai Creek for just 1 dirham. Enjoy the waters, traditional boats, and a perfect view of Dera's bustling markets before reaching the Gold Souk. After crossing Dubai Creek, we arrive at the Spice Souk in Dera. Here the air is filled with rich aroma of saffron, cinnamon, cardamom, dried lemons, and traditional herbs. You'll also find incense, oud, and essential oils. We end our journey at the most famous of them all, the Gold Souk. This is one of the largest gold markets in the world, known for its dazzling displays of 22 and 24 karat gold, diamonds, and intricate bridal jewelry. You can also find the world's heaviest gold ring, which weighs around 64 kilograms. Prices are based on the daily gold rate, but making changes can often be negotiated. Even if you're not buying, walking through the Gold Souk is an unforgettable experience and the perfect finale to exploring Old Dubai. From handcrafted souvenirs and flowing fabrics to fragrant spices and shimmering gold, Dubai's souk offers a glimpse into the city's rich trading heritage. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.